Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, fabulous chicken, vegetables or mixed vegetables with noodles. I'm using some CANTON noodles today. This is really easy, it's beautiful. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on here then. So, vegetables I'm using today, I've got cabbage, zucchini, bell peppers, carrots, cauliflower, onion of course, green onions, little bit of celery, tablespoon of garlic, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and our chicken. Our chicken, I've got a kind of decent size chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper. We're not going to add salt because these two guys are really salty. Let's take a look at the noodles. So the noodles that I'm using today are called CANTON noodles. They come in a dry in a packet and you just soak them in water. You don't need to boil them or anything like that. You just soak them for 5 minutes and they're done. You can be using other ones which are a bit thinner, like a vermicelli type. They kind of usually need boiling. You cook them and then set them aside. Or you can get them in like ready, kind of done, vacuum packed, they're already cooked. It's up to you. But yeah, these are the ones that I'm using, CANTON noodles. So I've got my wok here. You're going to need a kind of skillet or a wok or something. I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in our garlic. Our onion. A little bit of celery. And our carrots. Basically, you just want to be putting in your hardest vegetables first. Now I'm going to add our chicken. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Cut nice and thin. Keep this moving all the time. I'll see you in about 4 minutes. Okay, absolutely wonderful. Now, I didn't add any ginger to this. If you wanted, you could add some chopped ginger. And if you were going to, put that in at the same time as the garlic. Let's get in our cauliflower. And our thinly sliced cabbage. And again, I'm going to see you in about 4 minutes time. Keep this moving. Really beautiful. Next up, I'm going to go for my bell peppers. That's going to add a lot of colour. And my chopped zucchini or courgette. Going to get a nice generous pinch of black pepper in there. Like I said, I don't think it's necessary to add salt to this. You can if you want. And again, 3 to 4 minutes. Keep them moving. This is going to be absolutely fabulous. Really, really good. Yeah, this is incredible. This is going to be really, really delicious. We're now going to add some water. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, and if you wanted, you could even add a little bit of fish sauce. That's up to you. Got a nice mix there. We've really just pumped some flavours into this now. Now I'm going to add my cooked noodles. Like I said, I'm using CANTON noodles today. 2 spoons, 3 or 4 minutes, stirring it in, mixing it round. See you then. Okay, off goes the heat. That really is fab. If you want some fresh chili in there, a little bit of cilantro, coriander, maybe a little bit of sesame seed oil on the top, that's up to you. I'm just going to finish this off with some green onions. And that's it, we're done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Say hi, we like to hear from you. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.